Are you even listening to me?
I hear the noise, yeah.
Who are you texting that got you smiling like that?
People I actually like.
Is it her?
Her who?
Don't act new. The smoothie.
You jealous of a cup now?
I'm not jealous. I'm embarrassed for you.
That sounds personal. You real comfortable being wrong.
I'm real comfortable being observant.
You built a whole story off one laugh.
You gave me material. Let me see it then.
Now you curious? You doing all this, and you might be wrong.
I'm never wrong about this.
You want to see it?
Why are you so eager to clear your name?